Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from our newest location, Margate, Florida. What do we have today? Well, we have something that's going to make your truck the most organized setup probably on the planet here. So that being said, before we get started, that is our telephone number there. We got all kinds of great answers for good questions. And by the way, the products I'm going to show you, I'll put a link at the bottom of this YouTube video so you can check out pricing and all that. So what do we have here? Well, we have this nice Super Duty here. And again, this is the F-450 here with the 8-foot bed. So this is the big daddy here. You got the big fender flares and everything else coming out, the big dually setup. Now, a lot of people think, oh, if you have the 8-foot bed, you cannot get a T-slot. But as you can see, you can get a T-slot. Now, I think this is one of the better looking setups here. And of course, with the T-slot, it lets you add racks. And if you look at my truck over there, all the things on my truck, you could put on this truck. So that's the benefit of a T-slot. Now, this is the Bak Revolver X4TS, comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. If we install it like we did today, that goes to 10 years. We also put a 1-year labor guarantee on the bottom, on top of those as well. End of the day. So let's go and open this up. Now, this does have 2 release mechanisms. So you have one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. So wherever you're standing, you can open the cover here. And what's nice about this, now, this is a very high truck, and it's got the big old fenders here. But if you notice, no problem whatsoever. Open it all the way up. So now when it's open, it does not block your window. It does not block your third brake light or your camera. So everything you got in here, you can use. So now, I was talking about how organized this is, and it is. So you got your 2 swing cases by Undercover, and the back box too, which is made only for this cover. Basically, it goes into a little groove in there and locks in place. Now, what's nice about a swing case, they swing out to you, so you don't have to get into the bed. And basically, it has a seal in here, so even if your cover is open and starts raining, it'll still protect everything inside here. You got the nice little storage here. Now, another nice thing about this, if you need that extra space, you can take it out very easily. So you can just kind of put it right back there and line it back up to the holes, and then, of course, locks in there very nicely. And it is the space that's not really being used in the bed. It's kind of like by your wheel well. You can still put things right down the middle. Now, you got 2 of these again. You got the back box. Now, the back box is nice because it will fold up into itself. So if you need to that extra space, you can use it. And it works really good with this setup. Now, what's nice about this truck is there's an actual step over here that's actually dual step. So let's go ahead and, which makes it a lot easier to get into the toolbox here. So I can get in there. So this is a really good setup. So you can access this very easily, and you can access the front there. Now, if you want, go ahead and undo that Velcro for me over there. I just want to kind of quickly show them how it's right here. Pull it up. There you go. So basically, this would come up, and it's a little snug. We'll leave it alone. But basically, this folds up and goes over here, and you can have all this space. Now, you can put it anywhere in the bed. I put it here, but I left enough room so I can get the strap to secure the cover. So again, that's pretty straightforward. You pull it around here, put in there, you turn it, you've got this top part, and that locks into place. It won't go anywhere while you're driving. So, and again, to undo it, you just kind of push it down and turn it over there. You can leave it in the box. And again, pretty easy to open and close. And of course, I do like this extra step over here. Okay, now when you get to the end here, you do want to kind of push both ends, because sometimes you push one side, the other side will not lock. And again, this has got a 400-pound weight capacity that is evenly distributed. It also has, I don't know if I mentioned, the warranty. It's 5-year warranty. Now, if we install it like we did today, that goes to 10 years. And we put a 1-year labor guarantee. Now, if you don't live here in Florida, we can ship anywhere in the continental USA. We're also shipping to Alaska, Hawaii, Puerto Rico. And our newest 2 places is Jamaica and Brazil. So we got a few places outside the continental USA we can ship to now. Now, if you like this, give us a call. We'll go over all the details on this. And again, we can install it here or ship it to you. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. This is a review of the Revolver X4TS on a brand new Ford Super Duty 450 dually. Thank you.